Hey everybody, I am Jonathan Gus, Director of Sales here at Heartland, talking to you today about the Sundance Travel Trailer 27RBSS, one of my favorite smaller floor plans in the industry, and it's that rear bath setup that is the most popular couples coach in the industry right now. So starting at the front real quick, automotive grade, front cap, full fiberglass, really nice lighting on it, I love that. 30-pound tanks instead of 20, all power here. And the most important part on this front is the integrity of the chassis itself. This has a full integrated A-frame, okay? That just is going to give you peace of mind going down the road. There's no weak spots in this chassis whatsoever. Moving around to the side, just going to hit the hot points. Love this massive pass-through in here, okay? Not only is it really well lit, but this is going to hold all your solar. This has 200 watts of solar with a 30 amp controller, and that is expandable. But on the other side over there is a whole all-in-one docking center, which I love. That's a fifth wheel feature we brought into the travel trailer space. It just allows all those hookups so it's not cumbersome. You're not walking all the way across the unit trying to find where your hookups are. They're all right here for you. Moving on, we have auto stabilizers on this one, but it does come option with auto level, which is another fifth wheel feature that we offer here on the Sundance travel trailer product. Of course, we're going to have a power awning for you that's lit up in these awesome steps that most everybody uses now. But couple of little things that are always my soapbox stuff is things that people have taken off, people being manufacturers, to save a little money, is outside speakers. I like having them in there. I don't want to have to try to find one of my Bluetooth speakers that somehow find missing all the time. They're right there set up for you. You can connect them through your phone and enjoy some music by the campsite. And another pet peeve is the little water hose hookup thing that everybody has, just a little spigot. I like having hot water out here so I can wash my big flat griddle, whatever we have. I can do that with the hot water setup, or if it's just washing off the dog or my feet or whatever. Going around to the back, we'll touch on couple things real quick. Great 2-inch receiver setup. I love having that because there's so many functions we have to that aftermarket. A ton of things you can do with that 2-inch receiver. You do have the ladder installed as opposed to the ladder prep. That leads up to a roof system called the Trust XL system that has a 4,500 pound weight rating. It's amazing. We overbuild this thing. Again, we're always talking about peace of mind with the Sundance product. That's what I love. Peace of mind getting on that roof and the construction all the way around. As we move into the inside real quick, I want to show you this extra large grab handle and leading you into one of the coolest little interiors that I see in this rear bath setup. I love how this thing is featured. Just having a nice open layout here as opposed to it being really nice and tight. And this gives you just an amazing hidden pantry storage. I love this. The production did a great job on the setup of this. It's just easy to get in and out and a ton of storage. We can check out the bathroom for real quick. There is so much storage back here. Massive shower for this size of a unit, and check out all the storage once you look in there. It is so cool. Moving right into the kitchen, we do have a ton of storage as well, with having these huge pot and pan drawers, which I love. You see how they just cram storage everywhere on this thing. I love it when they do that. They're utilizing every nook and cranny. Good countertop space, of course, press top, so we're not going to have any of that T-mold stuff in here. Theater seating coming into those nice blackout shades. By the way, you're going to have USBs and USB-Cs everywhere in this thing. It's awesome. There's always a point where you got to plug in something somewhere. They're everywhere. You have a nice cool extension on here, freestanding, but I like that this is multi-purpose because there's a ton of storage under here as well. And you can move that out if you want to throw your feet up. All of that is theater seating. But that moves us right into this huge, cool opening into this bedroom. I love having this space. It just makes this whole room feel more open. A nice big Olympic queen bed with strut assist, which is super nice. Another opportunity for us to save a little money is to take those struts off, but it kills the convenience factor. And it takes us into all the storage we have here. There's going to be storage over here on this side that we're going to have to do a little roll on. But you have some nice nooks and crannies back here for CPAP, stuff like that. That's going to have 110 outlets, all prepped for inverted with the with the solar, and your USBs again. And just some really cool storage that they thought of here. I love how they kept this angle on this drawer. It's just a really smart design. This one is equipped with 2 ACs. There's a lot of other options to check out, and there's a ton more information that I didn't cover in this video. There's a longer video to check out. or you can just go on to heartlandrvs.com and watch all the videos. So thank you so much for your time. Look forward to seeing you on the website.